I'm Caleb with Woodshop, and today I've got a couple very easy Halloween projects that you can make just in time before the actual day rolls around. A pallet wood pumpkin, a pallet wood ghost, this cool sign that I made out of some old reclaimed bed slats. All these projects are great for any scrap wood that you have laying around the shop, and we're all totally free to make, and they're all very easy too. Let's check it out. Be thinking, why the hell am I gluing this up on the table saw? Well, because I've got something secret on the workbench, so y'all can't see that. So there's the sign. I got Jennifer to paint this because I can't do that good of a job by myself, although I did add the blood swipes myself. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. That helps with the YouTube algorithm. And also, just so you know, you might want to tune in next Friday, because that is when my official Means Woodshop Halloween video comes out, and that's going to be pretty spooky, so I think you'll be interested in that. And also, you might want to subscribe to this channel because I have brand new woodworking projects every single Friday. Every Wednesday, me and my brother Adam follow up on those projects, and for October we've been eating weird, nasty candies out of the coffin candy dish of death. Anyways, thank you very much for watching. I will see you next time.